Every product is a promise. That it's safe, that it works, that it's made ethically. From the shoes on our feet, to the food on our plates, to the medicines that keep us healthy, that promise matters.
We are in the business of trust. Trust is the foundation of everything we do at QIMA.
For 20 years, we've combined technology and human expertise to help companies build trust and keep their promises. From the very start, QIMA began with a bold vision: revolutionize quality assurance with data and technology.
I have worked at QIMA since the start. From day one, we have combined technology with on-site inspection to make quality control easier, faster, and more reliable for consumers. While our people, teams, and solutions have expanded just as much.
From our origins as a quality inspection provider for consumer goods, we expanded our global footprint, driven by an ambition for growth and the courage to venture into uncharted markets. We broadened our services with lab testing capabilities and grew into a global leader operating in over 100 countries.
Working with food certification is not only a service that we provide, we're making a difference. So I saw a change not only in terms of expansion, but also in terms of our capability to offer more service to our clients and to become a one-stop shop.
Along the way, innovative companies joined the QIMA group who shared our vision, our values, embracing change, making things simple, and keeping client passion at heart. Supported with thousands of keymates in the shared mission of building something greater together.
What inspired me the most probably is the opportunity to contributing to the growth of other scientists in the field.
True to our DNA, we disrupt the industry with AI and technology, helping clients create products consumers can trust.
There is a fantastic, exciting opportunity with data and AI, and I really want us to be the first in the tech industry to make the most sensible and meaningful use of the new AI tools.
Here's to 20 years of building trust and to the adventure still ahead.
I really want, from the bottom of my heart, thank the 6,000 QIMAs, keymates, QIMA family as we call each other. I want also to thank the people who just joined us in the last few months, because QIMA is a lifelong project, and the future of QIMA depends also on our ability to integrate smart, talented, dedicated people. Happy 20th anniversary to the QIMA family.